Okay, so on your phonics paper, go ahead and get your name, of course, today's date. This is lesson 50. And it's our spelling test. Once you have those three things on your papers, then set your pencils down. I'll know you're ready to continue on. All right, let's read through some sounds. Let me make this bigger still yet. Shh. At the end of a word, and what's right in front of it? Oi. In the middle of a word. But sometimes where can it also be? At the beginning. Is that one at the end of a word? No. A. Which one is short? A at the end of a short word. E in the middle of a word. Qu. R. A, E, I, O, U, I. W. If I. Which one is the long sound? I. Which one is the short sound? I. U. Which one is short? So that means U is the long sound. Ch. All. Everybody sitting up straight. Oi at the end of a short word. Ah. O. Where's this usually at? In the middle of a word. Can that sometimes start at the beginning? Yes. O. Which one is short? Ah. Two sounds, right? First sound. Ooh. Second sound. J. At the end of a word. And for this to be the DGE, J, what is right here in front of it, everyone?
Short vowel.
And our short vowels say a, e, I, Ear. E. Which one is long? Which one is long? E. So then that means which one is short? Ch. At the end of a word, again, what's right in front of it? A short vowel sound. Or. Ow and O. And th. All right, let's go to our spell sounds on our paper. Our first sound, I'm going to pull my mask down in case you need to see the sound. Ear. Second sound, ez. Third sound, aw. This next one, 2 ways. Okay. S. What 2 ways have we talked about that say S?
Do we put that on the same line?
I would. This next one is J at the end of a word after a short vowel. J at the end of a word after a short vowel. Four ways for this next one. All right, how many ways?
4.
4. Long O. Four ways. Long O.
I don't want the same line, just go down.
Try to get them on the same line. Or if you can only do 2, then do 2 on the next line. If you're having a hard time squeezing them all on one. Okay, the last sound is 2 ways. Ch. 2 ways. Ch. All right, then you can set your pencil down. We're going to read through some words before we do our test. Oh, what do we have here? Sight words. Some. Says. Whoa, that slid by. Sorry. Yes, you were right. It was give. And this is again. Want. Against. Sorry. Now I can't move it. Any. Could. Live. Been. Come. Would. Very. Have. Should. Ice. Voice. Nudge. Nice. Face. Price. Fudge. Lace. Age. Trace. Catch. Cage. Rice. Judge. Stage. Spice. Wedge. Page. Twice. Gem. Race. Large. Place. Mince. The word is mince. What's the word?
Mince.
Mince means to chop something up really, really small, really fine. Mice. Hitch. Grace. Rage. Slice. Choice. Hinge. City. Dance. Fringe. Fence. Prance. Spoke. Junk. Showing. Gown. Broom. Tower. Hunch. Vote. Stitch. The word is stitch. What's that word? Stitch. Tire. Trunk. Shooting. Stuffing. Slave. Quake. Scorch. My sleeve was moving the page on me. Groan. Slick. Perch. Punch. Crack. Calling. Not. claws in its paws. But that's not how we would talk, right? So let's read it like how we would be talking with someone. Are you ready? The cat has claws in its paws. Let's look at the next one. This word is gear shift. What's that word? Okay. The gear shift is in the center. Let's say it like we're telling this to someone. The gear shift is in the center. Have you ever seen a car or a truck that has this thing where people have to move it like this to be able to drive it? That's the gear shift. Or sometimes they slide it just back and forth to be able to drive it. That's the gear shift. Read this to yourself. Read it to yourself again. Now, really focus on saying it fluently like you're talking with someone. Here we go. The boat is near the dock. One more time. The boat is near the dock. Read this one to yourself. Read it again. Let's read it together. We will clear the snow from the driveway. One more time, together fluently. We will clear the snow from the driveway. All right, to our papers we go again.
Wait, do we do something?
No, just our 20 words. We aren't going to use the bottom part. Okay, first word. Large. Spice. Spice. Plunge. Latch. Like a latch on a door. Latch. Trench. 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 Break words apart like that if you need to. Hitching. 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 Lodge. Like a lodge out in the wilderness. Lodge. Lodge. Could. Could. This next one's a compound word. Gemstone. Gem. Stone. This should be the last word, this next one I'm going to give on your left side. Okay. Fridge. It's like what we call a refrigerator, just the shortened version of it. Fridge. 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 Okay, over to our right side. Crutches. Crutches. Yes. Is that what you were asking? Crutches. Then edge, like the edge of your desk. Edge. Think about those sound rules that we've been learning. Fringe. Fringe. Glance. 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 Should. Brunch. 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 Would. Sight word would. Like I would like to go home. Would. We have 3 words left. Do you have 3 lines left? Okay. Germs. Germs. Huge. 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 Then our last word. Choice. Choice.